Hello students, in last video we have seen slip ring motor starter which can be connected in slip ring motor only. Now today we are going to see star delta starter. This starter can be used for both motors, that is squirrel cage motor as well as in slip ring motor. Now let us see how it works. You know students, to control rotor current, starting rotor current is very high. To control this starting rotor current, we can control stator voltage method to control starting current of rotor. Then how we can control stator voltage? There are various methods like using auto transformer in stator circuit or using resistance in stator circuit, and another method is using star delta connection in stator circuit. Now, how this star delta connection is adopted in this starter to control stator voltage? Let us see that. Now, initially in this starter, stator winding is connected in star connection. You know, in star connection, when windings are connected in star connection, phase voltage is VL upon root 3, that is a 230 volt, near up to 230 volt. And when we connected delta, in delta, phase voltage and line voltage is same, that is a 440 volt. So initially when we connect stator winding in star connection, we are giving 230 volt to stator winding. Once rotor gets its full speed, this three-phase motor starter is connected to 440 volt by connecting its winding in delta position. Now let us see how it happens in this starter. When we move the handle, star delta starter's handle in start position, that is this lower position here, in that case we can see there are 6 terminals of three-phase winding, that is a A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, CT. These 6 terminals are stator windings, three-phase stator windings connections. Now in start position, this lower switch will get on, and can see in the diagram here A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, Cn. Here connection is brought. These 3 terminals are connected at star point like this. When in start condition, this stator winding is connected in star connection. Here this is a star point. Here A1, B1 and C1 are connected in star point, star connected together, and these are the A2, B2 and C2 terminal where voltage supply can be given. Here are the A2, B2 and C2, C2, A2 and B2, and A1, B1, C1 are connected together at star point in start position. In start position. Once the rotor is rotating up to its full speed, we can move the handle in run position, that is we are connecting the starter, the stator winding in delta connection. In delta connection, how we connect? See here, in delta connection we are connecting, suppose here are 3 windings of stator. A1 is connected, see here, A1, A2, A2 is connected to B1, then B2 is connected to C1 and C2 is connected to A1. How it is happening? Let us see in the circuit diagram. When we move the handle to its run position, this upper switch will get connected. See in the diagram clearly. When we move the handle in run position, this upper switch will get connected. Now these three terminals are not shorted together. These are its three terminals. Now A1 is connected. See at the pointer clearly. A1 is connected to C2. See in the nearby diagram delta connection. A1 is connected to C2. B1 is connected to A2. B1 is connected to A2 and C2, here C2 is connected to C. C1 is connected to B2. C1 is connected to B2. We can see here A1, C2, B1, A2 and C1, B2. C. Like this, in run position, three-phase stator winding get connected in delta connection, where we can see line voltage is equal to phase voltage, that is a 440 volt. Now stator winding is getting full supply, full three-phase voltage, that is a 440 volt. It means it is running with full speed. In this starter, OLC also given for overload protection of motor. If motor get overloaded, then this NC contact will get open and NVC coil will not get supplied, motor will start working. Like this, if you want to stop the motor, then you have to just press this off button, NVC supply will get stopped and motor will stop working. This way, star delta starter works. Students, you must have understand the working of star delta starter. So please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.